The all-new Profit Dashboard will be introduced to BigCentral in the September update to help users track Amazon sales and fees, visualize trends, and run comprehensive profit reports. The dashboard provides comprehensive profit analytics that instantly visualizes your profitability with a detailed overview of the performance of your store. Profit and loss statement is also provided to give you a summary of your financial standing, and its statement can be downloaded in an instant. The brand new daily report and profit and loss reports will be added in this update as well. With the inclusion of daily profit, you can compare the current and historical performance of your store by account, channel, and day range to uncover hidden trends and discover your business potential. Product Dashboard comes with a product performance table that gives an overview on each listing's sales amount, order number, profit, and other performance indicators. Switching between different tabs on the table offers insights to sellers' best-selling products, most profitable products, and more. Product performance data can also be downloaded for further evaluation. BigCentral, a complete Amazon sales, marketing, and service solution.